Okay. Just watched a little bit of my own video on the Bill Palindrome. Whatever. Trying to redeem myself. Maybe I can do a nice one-liner, super efficient, awesome solution on this next one. Kind of redeem myself after that 20-something minute slog through a bunch of silly mistakes. So let's see. Doing it live, anything could happen. Hopefully, better happenings than last time. So elections are in progress. Given an array of numbers of votes given each candidate so far, and then you can find the number of candidates who still have a chance to win. Strictly more votes than any other candidate. Oh, a system that makes sense. If two more candidates are the same maximum, assume there's no winner at all. Okay. So K is how many people haven't cast their vote. And I've got votes. Okay, so what do I return? Do I return the possible winners or the how many candidates can win? Two candidates can win. Okay, so here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that we really want the votes is not in order, but we really kind of want it to be in order, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and fire that off. It's integers, don't have to do anything. So now the votes are in order. So the current leader is at the last index, and then on towards the front. If I want to, I could always reverse how this is sorted. Yeah, I kind of do want to reverse how it's sorted. Yeah, so we want the winner in the front, and then we want to see if a candidate can win. We don't need to worry about ties. So if ties, nobody wins. So then, for you to win, you need to be able to get more votes than the current leader, by getting all of the remaining votes. So we'll have a can win is votes plus your number of votes plus K needs to be greater than votes. We do have some special cases to handle. So here's the problems. We don't know if it's starting with a tie. So we have to handle the first person is the problem. So this deals with all the trues and falses, but the first person. So now we have to worry about can win index 0. So can win. So right now, if K is 1, then it handles it fine. So if K is 0, if K is 1 right now, then whoever's at the front gets it's bigger when you add the 1K and you're good. Does K have a minimum? Does it say 0 is less than or equal to K? Yeah, so K could be 0. So the problem here is that if the first one is ahead of the other people with K is 0, he's the winner and it should be a 1. And it won't say that right now. And then if he's not ahead of the next person, it should be 0. So if K is 0, we need to do special handling. If vote num can win bracket 0 is votes bracket 0. If votes bracket 0 is greater than votes bracket 1. And we do know that we have more than one voter, right? Yeah, okay. So can win. If your votes are bigger than the next guy's votes, you can win. If not, then nobody can win, and we're good. It means it's a tie, and there's no more votes cast. So we'll try this. Yeah, that's not going to work. I didn't return anything. So what we need to return is we're trying to find the number of candidates who can win, right? And we've got a bunch of trues and falses. So for all the can win people, we just return the sum of can win. That'll give us a number of people, a number of trues in there. Alrighty. So, and then we had a syntax error in here. Vote num, not defined. Oh, for vote num in votes. Okay, cool. Pass the easy sample tests. So we'll go ahead and run it. And done deal. Cool beans. So let's close this up so we can take a look at my answer before we take a look at the other people's answers. We sort it, we reverse it because I'm a lazy bum and it'll be easier to think about this way. Make whether you can win or not a list, and there we go. Now we could use like a filter maybe. That could do it. I don't know. I kind of like this solution. It's pretty graceful. I like it okay. Let's see who else solved it. This guy. And boom. Voter.count M. Okay, so if K is 0, yeah, so he's with me there on the special handling for that 0 case. And then otherwise, yeah, so he's doing a very similar approach to me. Cool beans. Yeah, I kind of like my solution. It's basically the same as this guy's, though. It kind of shrinks the line number, but I don't think it's any clearer than what I wrote.